Okay, let's see the job about the DSTA. The position is named Head Principal System Architect. About the job, in this role, we are looking for a passionate and dynamic individual to join us in our system engineering and C3 center, where you will be part of a team to architecture and master plan the development of command and control capability to enhance operational efficiency,
Effectiveness.
effectiveness in public safety and security. Effectiveness. Let's say the detailed information. Drive the system architecturing or command and control capability for public safety and security, and develop the system architecture and the technical solution of command and control system to ensure coherency and interoperability. Lead the master plan and formulation of capability roadmap to implement and operationalize the command and control capacity. Conceptualize and trio innovation concept and emerging technology and technologies emerging technologies ranking from robotics, analytics, and artificial intelligence to push technology borderland in command and control application.
Boundaries. Conceptualize and trial innovative concepts and emerging technologies, ranging from robotics, analytics, and artificial intelligence, to push technology boundaries in command and control applications.
To put technology boundaries. To push technology boundaries in command and control applications. Okay, let's see the requirements.
Tertiary
qualification in electronic engineering, computer engineering, science, data engineering, communications, or related discipline. 10 years of experience in command and control system performance and control system preferred. Good writing, verbal, and interpersonal skills. Strong analytical skills, resourceful, miscellaneous, and team player. Okay, let's see others. Let's just see another others. Enterprise architecture. This company is a global leader in partnership in partnering with companies to transform and managing their business by harnessing the power of technology. The group is guided every day by its purpose of unleashing human energy through technology for an inclusive and sustainable future. It is responsible and drive organization of over 306 360,000 team members in more than 50 countries, with its strong 55 years heritage.
Heritage.
55-year heritage and deep industry experience, expertise and deep industry expertise. Company is trusted by its clients to address the entire range of their business needs, for strategy and design to operations, fueled by the fast evolving and innovative world of cloud, data, AI, connective software, digital engineering, and platform. The group reported in 2024 22 global revenue of 22 billion euro. Get the future you want. Go to the website. Catmini Singapore. Wow, it's a very big company.
Capgemini.
Capgemini Singapore is looking for a program architecture, enterprise and IT architecture from financial service domain. The candidate will build and maintain the high-level architectural view of the program. Prepare and present the program in WM architecture community and the group architecture community for validation. Support the investigation on areas of the solution not fully decided yet by organization brainstorm, following up with the internal and external experts, and by contributing with his own expertise experience. For example, but not restricted to integration pattern, data platform integration pattern.
Integration patterns.
Pattern.
Integration patterns.
Integration pattern. Integration pattern. Data platform, workflow automation, cloud migration paths, multi-entity guidelines, etc. Follow up with the program management team and participate in the weekly, monthly project meeting. Act as the SPOC for the architecture for the program. Review solutions purpose by application team and domain solution architects, and check their alignment with our target principle. Escalate to SNA and program management in case of misalignment, delegation.
Misalignment.
And delegation. Misalignment and delegation. In case of misalignment and delegation.
Misalignment derogation.
Document and update WMIS architecture principle. Qualification and experience, bachelor's degree in computer science or engineering, 10 years plus or experience in IT as solution architect, enterprise architecture, or IT leader, or a mix. 3 years plus or experience in software development. Must have understanding of the enterprise architecture discipline, process, concept, and best practice. TOGAF, for instance. Experience in modeling activity, application maps, software design models, data modeling, infrastructure diagram, application maps, software design models, data modeling, infrastructure diagram. Strong analysis skills with problem-solving attitude. Good oral writing skills, mainly PowerPoint and Excel. Experience in financial and banking industry. Excellent, effective leadership, planning and organization skills. Plus, previous experience on leading large-scale programs from architectural perspective. Experience on cloud integration pattern, high availability pattern, for etc. Scrum and agile experience. Scrum. Scrum and agile experience. Okay, let's talk about what is in 4U. It is not important. Let's see more about the architecture, enterprise architecture consulting. Let's see the job. Okay. About the job, 50 years of success in Europe has brought it the top of the line of factors usual. As an enterprise architect in Zolo digital consulting particular practice, you will bridge the gap between business and technology. You support clients in developing overall architecture views and consult them on digital business model, platforms and ecosystems. Understanding the customer's problems and the business case, you derive the architecture and technical solutions, advising them from initial discussion to successful implementation. Let's see all of this translation. On digital business model, platform and ecosystem. Understanding the customer's problem and the business case, you derive the architecture and technology solutions, advising them from initial discussion to successful implementation. You are able to communicate technical. You are able to communicate technical issues and status update at C-level, leading detailed technical and business discussion. You advise on strategy.
Strategically.
You advise strategically. You advise on strategically important architecture project. Your strength is developing enterprise architecture together with interdisciplinary teams with a focus on customized solutions. Your strength is developing enterprise architecture together with interdisciplinary teams with a focus on customer solutions. Cooperations with our sales team. You participate in pre-sale activities, RFPs. Let's see what is RFP. A request for purpose. is RFP. Okay, this is write down. In pre-sale activities, RFPs, negotiation and client engagement, negotiation and client engagement. Your architecture proposal are future-oriented and enable the implementation of the business strategy or new business model. Your architecture proposal are future-oriented and enable the implementation of the business strategy or new business model. You effectively communicate across functional and departments by accurately describing and explain opportunity, risks, and purpose of your recommendations. You are active both internally and externally as an ambassador.
Ambassador.
As an ambassador for our practice, and future develop our offering and our expertise. You are present as a thought leader in enterprise architecture consulting. Digital transformation and innovation strategy. Utilize a deep understanding of digital trend, strategy, IT roadmap, digital transformation and innovation strategy. Utilize a deep understanding of digital trends, strategy, IT roadmaps, and innovation to guide clients through their digital transformation journey. Transformation journeys align technical changes with business objectives. Strategy IT consulting offer expert advice service in the realm of cloud computing, data analytics, and other
Emergent.
and other emergent technologies. Develop and implement strategy IT roadmaps enable clients to fully harness enable clients to fully harness the potential of digital innovation to drive business growth. Enable clients. Okay, let's see your talent. You have minimum 10 years experience in CIO advisor, strategy IT consulting, and enterprise architecture consulting based in the Singapore market. Minimum 5 years of experience in CIO advisor, strategy IT consulting, and enterprise architecture consulting based in the Singapore market. You have a proven track record of delivering projects in BSFI and healthcare industries, consulting top management and C-level executives and C-level executives. Demonstrated ability to create and drive strategy IT roadmaps, aligning technology and business strategy. Experience in guiding organizations through IT and architecture innovation. Strong consultative skills with a customer-centric approach, ability to advise and influence ability to advise and influence top management and C-level executives. You possess a comprehensive grasp of the Asian market dynamic, specifically in the areas
Specifically.
specifically in the areas of IT transformation, digital innovation, and enterprise architecture consulting. You maintain a large network of experts, thought leaders, and talent you can tap into. In deep knowledge of architecture frameworks, for example, TOGF. TOGF is empty words, no use. Judgment, SAFE. Knowledge of current technologies and trends, cloud, mobile, IoT, AI, big data, AR, VR, edge, blockchain, and their impact on enterprise architecture. Experience with customer boutique with customer boutique solution within complex IT environments. University degree in computer science, engineering, business information, or comparable. Team-oriented personality with an entrepreneur mindset and are willing to try ideas outside the box. Good leadership and interpersonal skill. Empathic to customers, partners, and team member. Okay, let's see more about architecture. About the job will be responsible for IT solution architecture, governance, and technical and technology roadmap, adopting a business-first approach for new solution, maximizing for agility. Maximizing for agility and simplicity. Let's see the responsibility. Govern all IT architectures and establish the architecture blueprint. Drive consistency and adherence to the principles and standards that govern the overall IT architectures, including overseas IT architectures. Analysis, evaluate, and develop the approach blueprint for system, ensuring that the overall end-to-end enterprise architecture supports the IT roadmap. Access feasibility or design by solution architecture. Identify implementation risk and potential impact on the enterprise architecture. And provide cost-effective alternative that are scalable and compliant to the architecture blueprint.
Scalable.
that are scalable and compliant. 兼容性
compliant,
compliant and compliant to the architecture blueprint, proficient
proficient,
in computerization, conceptualization,
conceptualizing,
perfect in conceptualization and driving common architecture design across multiple services. Develop and maintain technical baseline, target states and roadmaps. Define and or review architecture design documentations. Perform plan, build, run, and monitor activities for identified technology. For example, digital platform integration and automation technologies, data warehouse analytics and insight technologies. Perform research, track and experiment through proof of concept on emerging technologies. Collaborating with business for potential use cases or competitive advantage on innovation and productivity. Potential to work with external partner to define solutions for large-scale developments. Drive and maximize the adopting of technology solution to advance the organization's digital capability. Let's see the requirements. Degree in computer science, computer engineering, information technology, information system or equipment, or equivalent with more than 9 years of relevant work experience. Certification in TOGAF, CCSP, AWS certification solutions, architecture professional, Microsoft certification, Azure solution architecture experts, or equivalent are preferred. Proven track record or success in developing IT architecture and its successful adoption in the business. Adoption and its successful adoption in the business. Excellent in developing holistic in developing holistic experience in developing holistic technical digital strategy across business unit. Strong drive to result.
holistic,
全面的。Holistic in developing holistic technical digital strategy across business unit. Strong drive to result. Broad and in-depth experience in various technologies, software architectures, and information architectures, including and not limited to cloud, integration, automation, data warehouse, data analytics, web and mobile technology, architecture and its implementation. Strong and effective communication, negotiation, and influencing skills. Ability to present the technical and business-related subject to all audience. Ability to present the technical and business-related subject to all audience. Ability to present the technical and business-related subjects to all audience. Capacity capable of solving complex technical problems independently. versatility and innovative middle science. Versatility is suited for me. Versatility and innovative middle science and innovative middle science. Passionate about technologies, open to learn new technologies, and embrace continuous learning and improvement. Okay, let's close today's recording.